Okay, so Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Ikwan Hafi, and in this video, I will teach you how to analyze your data in Microsoft Excel. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to generate some common statistical data just using the formula in Microsoft Excel. So here in this spreadsheet, we have a list of wireless earphone product survey together with it rating about the sound quality, the battery life, the comfortness, and its price value, along with its overall rating. So what I would really like to do is how to find the mean, which is the average rating about the sound quality, the battery life, the comfortness, and the price value about this wireless earphone product. We also can find the median, the mode, and the highest and the lowest rating about the product. So let's look in how to do that. So let's start first with sound quality. So the first thing that we want to do is go down here and click on this cell, which is in this case is cell B52. And in this cell, what I'm going to do is type equal average. Okay, so as I'm typing average, Excel recognize the function I'm typing and explain to us that the function is to return the average or arithmetic mean of its argument, meaning that if we want to find the mean from our data, we can use this function. So next, I'll put my left parenthesis, and at this point, what we can do is we can click and drag the data to highlight the data that we want to average. And if you don't want to click and drag the data, you also can write it down, which we recognize here that is the data is from cell B2 to cell B51 here. Okay, so what I want to do is type B2 and 2. How we can say 2 in Excel is by type using here colon here. Okay, and write down B51. Okay, and uh, put your right parenthesis and click enter. So now here we get the mean data for the sound quality. Okay, so to find median, do the same thing by typing equal median. Okay, so once again, Excel recognize the function, and we also can, for this one, I will click and drag the data from the cell B2 to cell B51 here and put my right parenthesis and click enter. And yeah, I get the median for my data. For mode, type equal mode. Okay, so here we can see that Excel give us two function of mode, mode.mult and mode.sngl. And normally we use mode sngl to find our mode from our data. Okay, so I will use this one. And yeah, once again, uh, click from cell B52 and drag it to cell B51 to get the value. Put on my right parenthesis and click enter, and yeah, we get the mode here. Okay, so for the highest rating, uh, the same thing is type equal, and for highest rating we can use the function max here. Okay, so the function is to return the largest value in a set of values. Okay, so yeah, the same thing. Yeah, I click here in cell B2 and drag it to cell B51, put on my right parenthesis and click enter. And now I get the highest rating for this data. Okay, for lowest data, type equal mean. Okay, so mean here is to return the smallest number in a set of values. Okay, so yes, the same thing. Click in cell B2 and drag it down to cell B51 here and put your right parenthesis and yeah, click enter and you get the value. So that's how you can find the value for your data, the mean, the median, and the mode, also with the highest rating and the lowest rating. And the next thing is how to find the rest of the data for this battery life, comfortness, price value, and overall rating. Okay, so we just can do it by simply by clicking here and drag all of our function here. And as we can see here, the tiny green square here, okay, click on that square and just drag your function here to the cell, okay, and by releasing your mouse, we can get the data for the rest of the value for the rest of the data here, okay. So that is how we can find the mean, the median, the mode, and the highest rating and the lowest rating for our data. So if you find this video helpful, please do like and share it. And yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.